Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing the recipes for 5 different parathas which you can easily serve in your kids' lunch box or your husband's lunch box. This way you can feed your kids different kinds of vegetables easily. First, let's make beetroot paratha. Kids usually don't like to eat beetroot, so this is a very nice way you can add beetroot to your kids' diet. I have chopped the beet and make it into a fine paste. Then I have added plain flour in a bowl, then goes in salt, ajwain and chaat masala. Then goes in chopped coriander leaves, chopped green chilies and chopped onion. I'll mix everything together and then add the beet paste. Here you don't add the beet paste all together. You add the beet paste 1 spoon at a time and then make the dough. Here's the dough ready, so I'll be rolling it out into a paratha. Now let's fry the paratha. You have to first roast both the sides properly, then only you add ghee or butter or any oil of your own choice. Here I am using ghee, and this way you have to cook the paratha until golden brown spots come on the paratha and it becomes crispy. So our beetroot paratha is ready. I'll be serving it with some chili pickles and a bowl of sabzi. So you can add these kind of parathas in your kids' lunch box and I'm definitely sure they will enjoy it. The second paratha is broccoli paratha. It's winter time, so broccoli is easily available in the market. This way you have to grate the broccoli and then in a pan goes in some mustard oil, chopped garlic, chopped onion, and I'll fry it properly and then add chopped green chilies. Next goes in the grated broccoli and fry it properly and add salt according to the taste, some chaat masala, red chili powder, and again fry it properly so it's nicely fried. Next I'll be adding plain flour in a bowl. Goes in 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and salt. Again mix everything properly and add warm water and make a firm dough. So the dough is ready. Now roll it into a small paratha and then we are going to add the broccoli stuffing. While adding the stuffing, add less stuffing as the paratha might break or the filling might come out. This way with the hands or your thumb you have to spread the paratha so that the masala inside is nicely spread inside the paratha. Then roll out and now it's time to fry it. Again roast the both sides of the paratha properly, then only add ghee or oil. This way fry the paratha until golden spots come on both the sides. So my paratha is ready. I'll be serving it with some curd and pickles. See how flaky and beautiful my paratha has come out. So this way you can serve it in your kids' lunch box. The third paratha is Aloo Matar Paratha. First I'll be peeling the boiled potatoes. Then I'll simply mash it with my hand and then in a pan I have added garlic, then goes in chopped onion, chopped green chilies and the mashed potatoes. Then goes in some peas and salt according to the taste. Then 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of zira powder, and 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. And with the spoon you have to mash everything and fry. Try to mash all the peas properly. Then goes in lot of coriander. Then the dough is ready. So I'll just roll out a small paratha and then goes in the aloo matar filling. Before adding in the paratha, you have to make sure that the filling is completely cool. Otherwise the paratha might break or the filling might come out. Then this way, with the hand and your thumb, you have to spread the paratha little bit and seal the paratha properly. Then fry it with some ghee or butter or vegetable oil. Fry until golden brown spots come on the paratha. So it's ready. You can see yummy Matar Aloo Paratha is ready, which I have served with some curd. It's nice, hot and crispy. So this way you can serve it in your kids' lunch box, or you can even give it to your husband as their lunch. The fourth paratha is Mixveg Paratha. First in a pan goes in some chopped garlic, then goes in chopped beans, chopped carrot and chopped capsicum. All the vegetables should be finely chopped. And goes in salt according to the taste, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, and simply cover it and let it cook until the vegetable becomes soft. Then I'll be adding some red chilli powder, little bit of zira powder and half tablespoon of chaat masala. Adding chaat masala to the paratha makes the paratha little spicy and tangy. Then goes in some kasuri methi. So our stuffing is ready. Again, the atta is also ready, as we have already made the broccoli paratha and the aloo matar paratha. So that atta only I'm using. So this way I'll roll and then put the stuffing inside and seal the paratha. Again, using my thumb and my hands, I'll simply spread all the mixture inside the paratha, and this way with the fingers I'll spread and then roll out the paratha. Then using ghee, butter or oil, you have to fry it until the paratha becomes crispy golden brown in color. So our yummy mixed vegetable paratha is ready to eat. Last and the fifth one is Palak Paneer Paratha. For the paratha I have taken here plain flour, goes in some ajwain, salt. I'll mix everything together. Then I have made the paste out of spinach, and this paste goes in the atta. And with the spinach we will make a firm dough of this flour. Don't use any water, only bind the dough with spinach. Here I have taken some shredded paneer, goes in lots of coriander leaves, chopped onion, chopped green chilies and salt to taste. Then goes in some garam masala. Mix all the filling together and then cut balls out of the dough and roll it into a small paratha. Then we will put the stuffing of the paneer inside. And this way you have to seal the paratha so that the stuffing doesn't come out, and spread the paratha a little bit with your fingers so that it becomes easy to roll out the paratha. This way you have to roll out the paratha and then we are going to fry it. So the paratha is ready. Now let's fry it. Again, you can fry it with ghee, butter or oil of your own choice. Just fry until golden brown spots come on the paratha, and the paratha becomes crispy. Because crispy parathas are always very tasty to eat. This way, fry the paratha. If you add these kind of parathas in your kids' lunch box, I'm very sure they will enjoy it. And even it's very easy for them to make a small roll out of this paratha and eat it while they play, because kids always eat their lunch in school while they are playing. So you can see how flaky the paneer paratha is. Please do write in the comments which is your child's favorite paratha, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.